Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to address a very popular question that many of you have asked: how to enable the 5G Wi-Fi network on the Huawei router model EG8245H5. We all want faster internet speeds for streaming, gaming, and downloading, and getting onto a 5G Wi-Fi network is a common goal. So, let's walk through the process and see what is possible with this specific router. Typically, the first step to change any setting is to log into your router's administration panel. You would open a web browser on a connected device and type in the router's IP address, which for this Huawei model is usually 192.168.100.1. Then you would be prompted for a username and password, which can often be found on a sticker on the back or bottom of the router itself. Once you are logged in, you would navigate to the section for wireless settings, often labeled as WLAN or Wi-Fi. This is where you can change your network name, password, and other advanced settings. In this section, for a dual-band router, you would expect to see separate configuration tabs or options for both the 2.4 GHz band and the 5 GHz band. However, as you look through the settings of the Huawei EG8245H5, you will only find options for the 2.4 GHz band. This leads us to the most important piece of information and the direct answer to our question. The Huawei EG8245H5 is a single-band router, which means it does not have the hardware to support 5 GHz Wi-Fi. It is physically designed to only operate on the 2.4 GHz frequency. This is not a software issue or a hidden setting. The internal components required to broadcast a 5 GHz signal are simply not present in this device. Therefore, it is impossible to enable 5G Wi-Fi on it. If you need 5 GHz speeds, the solution is to upgrade your hardware. You can either contact your internet service provider and request a newer, dual-band router model, or you can purchase your own dual-band Wi-Fi router. You can connect this new router to your existing Huawei device via an Ethernet cable and use your new router to broadcast a powerful 5 GHz signal. I hope this explanation clears up the confusion around this particular model and provides you with a clear solution. Thank you so much for watching this guide. If you found this information helpful and straightforward, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel and ringing the bell for more honest tech tips and tutorials. Your support is what allows us to keep making these videos. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you next time.